Hey James, how are you doing? So I'm just making my hair. I want to go. So I ordered something from AliExpress like 2 weeks ago, and so it was supposed to come between May 12th and May 19th, and today is May 20th, I think. So I want to go check. Okay, I think imefika, but hawajanitumia message, but nikiangalia kwa tracking information inaniambia delivery unsuccessful, and because this is something that is worth to me inaweza niuma ikipotelea hiyo pesa. So I want to go get that, check that out. So yeah, twende pamoja. I don't know how this looks. I feel like ingekuwa na a brighter shirt ingekuwa more nice, but it's giving. Yeah, and where's my purse bag? I'm going to be carrying my tote bag. And take out vitu hapa ndani. I think it's kind of giving. I like the color combination, even though I know it would have looked better with something bright, but considering iko bright already, I think you're good to go. Mi upenda nikingara, man. Also sijawaambia nataka kuvaa hizi viatu. So I think I've only worn these shoes maybe like twice ama thrice. Unaona zinakaa platform kabisa. Sasa naona maybe zitanichokesha kutembea, but I'll be taking a boda, so I don't think I'll be walking that much, but sitaki kubahatisha, but kwani nitazieka nitavaa lini? Si kila siku navalia viatu the same you get. So I hope nitaonyesha the full outfit, but until then wacha tuende.
If you see me, you tryna see what's up. He wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have him stuck. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid black. Jewelry on your wrist, fucking hold it up. When I holla ski, that be pull up. Cross in and fire, and I fast as fuck. I'm looking good when I'm hopping out that truck. Where the hood niggas that they get them bucks. Being free, but we run dirty. Flying with your boo, yeah, that's my dirty. My sister in the backseat with a 30. Niggas tryna shoot back shots, Stephen Curry. Talk a bitch, nigga, show no mercy. Do the pussy bitch dirty. She like sexy, why you hurt me? Took him down up the Yorkie. When you give me, put that dick all up my backside. I'm a hood bitch sitting courtside. I show up pussy how this back ride. Little bitch, I'm from the north side. If you see me, you tryna see what's up. He wanna fuck with me, then I'ma have him stuck. Bitch looking bad and got a stupid black. Jewelry on your wrist, fucking hold it up. When I holla ski, that me pull up. Cross
So guys, I have gotten what I ordered and nimefurahia sana. At least haijapotelea. We're going to unbox later when I'm back at my place. Mambo. Hi. I feel so nice. It comes in your TG. Oh, this is so cool. Like, then you have the cable and this. Wow, it's so tiny. Can you believe this is 1 TB? Yeah, this is a 1 TB. Like, it's so tiny. But yeah, that's the package.